Have you ever seen this term on a pattern and thought, what? It's a front post double crochet, let's learn. Okay, so front post double crochet is simply doing double crochets around the front of the post. And if you're asking what a post is, your double crochets are here and this is a post. Your double crochets are the post. So you're going to yarn over and we're going to go in through the right hand side, out to the left, and then we're going to create our double crochet. So it's no different than your bog standard double crochet. You just, instead of going through the stitch, you're going to go around the stitch through the center there. So you go out through the back and then go through the other side, come out, and that's when you do your double crochet. So we're yarning over, going through and around the back, and that is our front post double crochet. And it's called a front post double crochet because it shows on the front.